Well, it's day 6,700 of quarantine. Not really, but it sure feels that way sometimes. I've been cooking some super simple recipes though, and I want to share them with you. It's not my regular show because my daughters Paige and Alex, Alex's friend Mauricio, and my nephew Stuart are my crew. I'm going to make fish stick tacos, and I'm using literally a bag of fish sticks. They're so simple, they're really, really thin. So I'm gonna get these into the oven. There are 5 of us, so I needed to make a lot. So Alex, Mauricio's the paparazzi. I'm gonna put these into a 475-degree oven, but you can just follow the instructions on the package. Gonna take about 10, 12 minutes. Alex, look at this towel. Takes on a whole new meaning right now, doesn't it? You might have thought that was a little bit sweeter when you were in Dallas, but now you're like, oh, I've got all the home sweet home I need. Okay, so I happen to believe that whenever you have fish tacos, you've got to have a great slaw. So, head of cabbage. This is one of those things that isn't too questionable during this time we're all in. They last for a long time in the produce drawer, and I have had luck getting cabbage lately. So I cut half of the head in little shreds. And so normally when I make a slaw, I would spend time making a dressing, but I'm trying to keep things very, very simple. So I'm whipping out a bottle of dressing.
What kind of dressing is that?
Well, it's sort of a Southwest/Thousand Islandish type of a dressing. But you can take really any dressing you want, even if it's just ranch. So I chopped up a whole bunch of pickled jalapenos. Talk about a staple in my pantry. And then instead of a vinegar or milk or some other liquid, I'm just gonna pour some of the juice from the jalapeno jar. I love the flavor of jarred jalapenos. I'm gonna grab some salt. But slaw is perfect for tacos because it adds just a nice crunch and coolness. And then the tortillas are kind of beige. The fish is kind of beige, and I didn't want the slaw to be beige. So I'm adding some diced pimentos, beautiful pantry item. And then just stir this around. Slaw is great because it keeps for a good couple of days in the fridge and doesn't go bad. So it's nice just to have it in there. And again, look how simple that was in terms of the ingredients. Look at this slaw, Alex. Ooh, that's gonna be good on the fish tacos. Okay, the slaw's ready. The tortillas are ready. The fish sticks are in the oven. I'm gonna get the other stuff ready, and I'll see you back here in a sec. The fish sticks are out of the oven, and I'm going to build a glorious fish taco. Look at this beautiful flour tortilla. So I'm gonna put 3 fish sticks right on the tortilla. And then, Alex, get in here and look at this beautiful slaw with all those wonderful gourmet ingredients. And I've also got some grated cheese, very simple. And then a couple of different salsas. You gotta have green and you gotta have red. Look, oh, how good does this look? Put some more jalapenos on there because I like spice, and a lime. I'm going to cherish it. I actually have a handful of limes. Squeeze some lime juice. Actually, I won't hog all the lime because I might need to use it. Squeeze a wedge over. Look at this fish taco with homemade flour tortillas, non-homemade fish sticks. I mean, is there anything better than this? I'm gonna eat it on camera. Watch me.